Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Mrs. Nikmatunyaya is a MSA AKT as a lecturer in the Research and Methodology. Let me introduce myself. My name is Pipit Stiani from Accounting Major Class F with present number 19, Semarang State Polytechnic. Here I will present my final project proposal entitled Analysis of the Effectiveness and Contribution of Restaurant Tax to the Tegal Regency Original Revenue. There are 4 presentation structure that I will convey. 1. Background, 2. Literature review, and 3. Research methodology, and then writing system. Okay, for the first material, which is about the background, for the background of the research title that I took as follows. Tax is acquired public contribution to the state treasury based on the provision of the law. Tax are payment to the state that are imposed where tax payment do not benefit directly, but the results are used for public purpose such as national development. The existence of Law Number 28 of 2009 concerning regional tax and regional levies brings a new paradigm in regional management. One of the type of local tax that can affect local revenue is the restaurant tax. According to the regional regulation of Tegal Regency number 8 of 2011, restaurant tax is a tax on service provided by restaurant which include the sale of food of beverage consumed by buyers with consumer at the service place or the take home. Restaurant tax has considerable potential in Tegal Regency because Tegal Regency is one of the cities that has quite a lot of place to each such as restaurant. With this is the hope that I can make a good contribution to the revenue of the source in the increasing regional original income in Tegal Regency. The Regional Revenue Agency of Tegal Regency is office or service agency that function as the management of various sources of regional income. One of the tasks is to manage of monitor regional revenue received in the form of regional tax, and the result of the collection are submitted to the regional government and used as regional original revenue or PAD. Second, regarding the formulation of the problem based on the background on the previous slide, the formulation of the research problem is 1. How effective is the restaurant tax in the Tegal Regency against original regional revenue of Tegal Regency? 2. How much in the contribution rate of Regency restaurant tax revenue Tegal to Tegal Regency original revenue? 3. What is the role of the Tegal Regency restaurant tax in increasing the Tegal Regency original revenue? Third, regarding the purpose and benefit of research, the objectives to be achieved in the preparation of this research are 1. To find out the effectiveness of restaurant tax revenue on Tegal Regency original regional revenue. 2. To find out of contribution of restaurant tax revenue to regional original income. 3. To find out the role of restaurant tax to increase local revenue Tegal Regency. While the benefit of doing this research are 1. This research is expected to increase understanding and knowledge regarding the effectiveness and contribution of tax to regional original income in Tegal Regency, can add insight into the calculation of the effectiveness and contribution of restaurant tax. 2. This research is expected to increase understanding and knowledge about the calculation of effectiveness and contribution and the role of restaurant tax that are even better on regional original income in Tegal Regency and can be used as a reference, input, and guideline as an alternative material in solving or resolving a problem, especially regarding local taxation. 3. This research is expected to be used as a reference in future study with similar topic, and this research is expected to increase understanding and knowledge of the topic of taxation, especially regarding the effectiveness and contribution of restaurant tax to local revenue. Next, The next discussion is 1. Understanding tax. Tax is according to Marbiasmo 2011-23. Tax are mandatory contributions to the state that are owed by individual or entities that are coercive in nature based on the law, with no direct compensation and are used for the purpose of the state for the greatest prosperity of all people. 2. Tax function includes budgetary function or state financial source. 2. Regulatory function or regulator. 3. Types of tax and their classification, namely according to group, according to nature, according to the collection agency. 4. Understanding local tax. 5. Types of local tax. 6. What is restaurant tax? 7. Restaurant tax contribution ratio to your locally owned opinion. And 8. The ratio of restaurant tax effectiveness to your local opinion. 5. Research method. This study used search methods including 1. Classification of data, namely data according to its nature and data according to the source. Data by its nature consists of A. Qualitative data in the form of an overview of the regional revenue agency, which includes history, vision and mission, organization structure, main tax and function, as well as job description. B. The quantitative data used is the income report of the Tegal district, while the data by source consists of A. Primary data, B. Secondary data. 2. Data collection methods. The methods used in data collection are A. Interview, namely direct interview with staff in the revenue sector at the Regional Revenue Agency of Tegal Regency. B. Documentary study, namely income report containing budget, target, and realization. 3. Writing methods. The writing methods used in this research are A. Descriptive methods, B. Method of exposition. And then 4. The data analysis method used to analysis, namely 1. Effectiveness analysis and 2. Contribution analysis. The last one is the writing system. For systematic writing, in this study there are 5 chapters, namely Chapter 1, Introduction. This section consists of background, problem formulation, purpose of writing, benefit of writing, and writing systematic. Chapter 2, Literature Review. This chapter contains definition related to local tax, restaurant tax, tax collection system, tax calculation, and local tax. Chapter 3, Research Methods. This chapter contains research methods, data classification, data collection methods, and writing methods. Chapter 4, Research Result and Discussion History, Location, Organizational Structure, and display the calculation result of local tax collected. By using the basic method of collecting tax and calculating the effectiveness and contribution of local tax. Chapter 5. Closing this chapter contains concluding regarding the result and discussion in the previous chapter and suggestion addressed to the Tegal Regency Original Revenue Agency. This is table of my activity plan during research. Okay, that's all I can see in this presentation. I apologize if make any mistake. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.